puerta cuando me encuentres.
Yo grité y no me pararon bolas, era por eso.
¿Cómo, honey? I was so scared when this little frog. I went to open the door. Hi, and there it was. It scared the crap out of me. Hey, he's gonna jump on me and I'll die. I think he wants to jump. I know, don't look at me so